All right, guys, we got this cool wood ceiling. It's painted black. We got some really cool DMF pendants, and then we have some James pendants, and we're gonna add, of course, some bass. 10-inch. This is a James loudspeaker, the QXC10S, and we're gonna do it flush up in the ceiling. Ooh, this bad boy is, it can play down to 35 hertz for an in-ceiling sub. Pretty impressive. Check this out. All right, all that cutting, I got the speaker in, and man, it sounds incredible. It makes a huge difference now getting all the low end into this space with the pendant speakers from James loudspeakers. So let me aim the camera up here and see if you notice the subwoofer. Right there. See it? The grill is painted black and it blends in super awesome. You barely even notice it there. But when it's on, that's when you know. Till next time, see ya.